Ran me up a bag, yeah, I'm loving all this money. Keep my circle small, cause these squares are so funny. If I give you my all, will you promise just to love me? And we turning up, we going 8, we going dummy. They just want some fame from me, they ain't really.
Hey. To those of you maybe your first time, I'm G Banky. For those of you who've been hanging out with me, come on, let's get it in. On tonight, I have a special guest here. This is Edwin Glitch from my hometown. I grew up in Madison, Ohio. Edwin, say hello to the audience.
How you guys doing?
All right. And he's here visiting California. And we picked this special night for us to be together to have this massive chicken nacho supreme hot jalapenos. We got, on my side, I got refried beans. Ain't no but pinto beans smashed up. We know that, right?
All right.
And on his side, we got some all kind of stuff, goodness up in here. You ready to get down here?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's get down with the get down.
Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Come on.
I'm gonna try this. These nachos are made by my granddaughter. Good eat. My granddaughter helps her mom every now and then in the style.
Okay.
And she fried up our chip for us. And this is good.
Very good. Very good.
Ed, you got something about that sauce over there that I ain't gonna say I'm gonna try because y'all be talking me into stuff.
So we got some Scotch bonnet, hot pepper sauce. Y'all see that?
You bold. He a young man.
I'm gonna be the first to try it.
Yeah.
See how it goes.
Because y'all know me and hot stuff don't hit it all too good. So I want to stay in my lane.
I really don't do it either, but I'm gonna do it for the fans.
So you gonna stand G Banky?
Yes, ma'am.
Not tonight. I'm gonna be on fire. I'm gonna crack this cup. Boy, I know you ain't just called me out.
Man.
Go on, big man. He was a football player for the awesome Madison Tigers. Tell me what yeah.
Woo.
It's like that?
It's like that.
Let me see. Did you put too much?
I think I did.
Let me see. I'm a dainty one, honey.
Woo.
Was that too much?
Oh, I killed. I
You
put way more than that.
But see, you a man. You a whole man.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm a whole woman, so I ain't gonna try to match you. I just want you to know I ain't stirred.
I know you ain't.
Edwin. For real though, Edwin. I'm stirred. Oh, Lord.
It wasn't that bad, but it was bad.
What?
I'm gonna put a jalapeno too. I see what you're trying to do, see. I'm gonna leave jalapenos for you, but I got you.
How's it going?
You didn't tell me the truth.
So I had to do that to you.
Oh,
You all right? Ooh. It's still there.
That's hot. The name of it is Scotch.
Scotch.
Whew. Now, I don't know if you ever drank Scotch before. Woo. I tasted it.
That's the name of the pepper.
I know. That's the name of the pepper is Scotch.
Scotch bonnet.
Woo.
The habanero.
See, I didn't know it was a habanero. Forget harbor, habanero. Oh. The back of your tongue? Where did it hit you at?
It hit the front for me.
Ooh, got me right back down them sides.
The tip.
This is good. Whew. So what's going on in Massa?
It's snowing. That's why I'm glad I'm here with you.
I'm glad you're here with me too. Well, that's what you gotta do.
What's that?
You gotta go back.
Man,
I'll pity you.
I'm sorry. I wish I could stay here.
All right, so tonight we're gonna be playing a game called How Much Would You Do It For? So we're gonna ask y'all questions and y'all give y'all answer.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna start the first question. How much would it cost for you to live on the beach for 8 years with no Wi-Fi and no family contact?
How about no?
Wi-Fi ain't no problem. Come to my family, guess where I ain't gonna live at? On the beach. They ain't got enough money.
Yeah, that's the same here.
Uh-uh.
Come not be around my family.
Uh-uh.
You can't pay me with nothing.
No. Uh-uh. They gonna be mad at me too. Cause we need the money. But guess what? They won't be mad long. No.
All right, question number 2.
Okay?
How much would it cost for you to live with a parrot for 5 years that says everything that you don't want to hear?
Well, I did it for how many years? You said how much?
5 years living with a parrot that mocked everything that you don't want to hear.
Well, I grew up with one, so I can do that.
I don't know if I can do that either.
I grew up with one.
It might cost quite a bit.
Yeah, it's gonna be very expensive, but I grew up with one, so I can do that.
All right, next question. If your spouse needed a new eye for $29 million and you had $30 million, what would you do?
If my spouse needed a new eye, which he did, he needed 2 lenses. Well, if I had 30 mil, we'd have a meal. He'd get his eye.
They might be rocking an iPad. He wanted the honest truth. They might be wearing the eye patch.
Said your spouse, but that was your wife.
We gonna make it. She won't have to do nothing no more. We're just gonna let that sit in the bank.
Future wife, you hear that? You're gonna need a CNI dog. Cause Ed gonna keep all the money in the bank. So, he telling you ahead of time. Think about it, girl. That was good.
All right, next question. How much would you stay in a hotel full of roaches for 24 hours for?
There ain't a dime on the earth.
Somebody got 100 right now. I'll go there right now. $100 right now.
Oh, my head.
That means I'll be able to pay for another ticket to stay here with you longer.
Oh,
See, you like that one, huh?
I do. Oh,
Yep.
that was sweet.
All right,
He
next
mean that
question.
too.
Yep.
Oh,
All right, next question. How much would you let a homeless person fart on your stomach for?
Hell no, to the no, no, no.
Yeah, just enough.
My family gonna be angry.
Ooh-wee.
You pass gas on me, I'm gonna hit you in your back. Hey, no.
It ain't happening with me either.
Period. And we got corona out here too. Y'all know I'm talking about the virus, huh? If it wasn't no virus, huh? Next.
Alright.
How much would you spend 9 months cut off from the world at the bottom of a well?
Nada. That means away from my husband, my kids, my grandchildren, this great grandbaby coming, my sister, brothers, none.
Yeah, you couldn't pay me none either.
This is delicious.
Very, very good.
The seasoning.
Okay.
It make you wanna.
How much would you eat a molded burger for?
Once again, my family mad at me. I ain't eat no molded burger. I ain't doing it. Ed,
Man,
he thinking about
I can't.
mold is dangerous,
It is very dangerous.
but ain't processed right.
But I like hamburgers. And I like money. And with a couple gallons of water, I might be able to wash it down just right.
So how much?
I say about $1,000.
Man, that ain't no money. You gotta at least put some millions on the head.
I stick with 1,000 for you.
All right. Guess when you broke 1,000 is $1 million, huh?
Yep. Remember, I still got that 30 million in the bank. You can't forget about that.
I forgot about that.
Yeah, you can't forget
I
about
got my meal though. I can afford with that million though.
Nah, yeah.
I can invest in stuff.
Now, then you might be doing something there.
This is so delicious.
Alright. How much would it cost for you to eat a booger?
Who got me there?
I can't stand okra. Don't eat oatmeal. And guess what else I ain't eating? I ain't eating no booger.
I can't do that either. I can do a molded cheeseburger, but no.
That's been up in the cavity.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is good.
How much would it cost for you to live in a tower for just 4 weeks?
A tower?
A towel, like bath towel.
Man, you ain't gotta pay me. That's my kind of thing. I'll do that hand down, baby. That's me.
See, I can't do that.
So how much I have to pay you?
Couple million for that.
A couple minutes. You like clothes?
Yeah, I like clothes.
I don't like clothes, see. I wear them because we have to. If I had my choice, I'd wear the towel.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much would it cost for you to bathe in your own body odor?
You ain't gotta pay me either, because I got a good body odor. The Lord blessed me wonderfully.
Say it louder for the people in the back.
The Lord blessed me
I'm clean.
with a wonderful body odor. You ain't gotta pay me.
Yeah, me
I'll
neither.
do it over.
You don't gotta pay me either.
Come on, hit that. Now, don't judge us.
How much money would make you slap a stranger? A random person.
A random person.
If you beat me in a game of 2K, I might just go out and do it for free. I might just go out and slap somebody for free.
Okay. I'll say 10 million. Because after I slap them, tell them, hold on. I got a couple million for you for letting me slap you.
Oh, they ain't getting enough for me.
So I give about 10, give me 10 million, and I'll slap the fire out of them.
Yeah.
But before they react, I'll let them know they're going to become a millionaire in a few seconds. So 10 million.
All right. How much would you go hunt and kill your own food for?
He ain't make me like that. Mine got to already be slave. Can't do it. Spiders out there.
Yeah, we do that back home now, so it's surviving advance in Ohio. It's not like California. You gotta get yours. You gotta get in there. Surviving advance.
So, you kid, you
For free. We do that already.
see? So ain't no cash in my
Ain't no cash.
Not me. Spiders is out there. Worms, not me. You see that, Nasia? She missed it.
All right. How much would it cost for you to slap your ex?
Well, I don't have an ex, so I'd have to slap my man. I've been with him since I was 12 years old. That's the only man, so how much would we have to get for me to slap you? Nothing. I can't do it. He ain't never been physical with me. I can't do it. I can't do it.
I don't put my hands on women, so.
So he won't do it either. So ain't amount of money for neither one of us. So,
All right. Last question.
okay.
Would you slap your mom for $1 million and you can't tell her about it until an hour passed?
I'm so glad she with Jesus right now. Because if I ever entertain a thought, it would be me with Jesus. No! The woman would kill me where I stood. She'd read my mind, my actions before I thought it. No.
You know, I don't hit women, but I wouldn't have to worry about the hour situation because she'll be asleep. So if I were to, she'll be asleep for that hour. And when she wake up, she'll just wake up to money.
See, that's different from today's mamas to my mama. I'm 61. How old are you?
21.
That's a T. Look at that. That's 40 years. My mama knew the thought before you get the thought. Y'all would have never met me. She'd have ended me that day. No. Money wouldn't have mattered. She'd have thanked me for the cash and buried me with it. You don't play with them old mamas. No. Ed, I've enjoyed you. Real quick, tell them a little bit about Mansfield. You say you coach? Real quick.
It's a small city, probably about
Small.
30,000 people. It's a big historic football city. We won 24 national titles, 9 state titles. Or that's opposite, I'm sorry. 24 state titles, 9 national. I teach special education at the Mansfield Middle School.
Yeah.
And I also coach football for Mansfield, so.
He works with my sister-in-law, Flora. Hey, girl.
Yeah.
And my son, Eugene Jr., used to play for Mansfield Tigers. He was number 7 back in 93, what was it, 93?
93.
93, I believe it was.
94.
Okay. So he used to play for the Tigers. And the Tigers, you talking about a city lit up?
Paul Brown Tiger
Paul Brown,
Stadium.
I was finna say Paul Brown Tiger Stadium is lit up. Go check them out. You won't ever want to miss a game again. Ain't that right?
Never. That's actually where football was created. Jim Thorpe,
Tell me.
along with a couple Canton natives, they created football. Pro Football Hall of Fame is located about 10 minutes away from it.
Yes.
So every year, every time a Hall of Famer gets put into the NFL, they get a bust.
Right.
And it's only about 10 minutes. So it's a small city, but
It is.
it's very nice people.
It is.
So.
Yeah. I love Madison. I grew up there. My parents moved us there when I was 6 years old. I grew all my life. Been in California for 11 years, so it's a great city. Well, Ed, I'm so glad you came in with me tonight.
Thank you. I really appreciate
I
you
really
having me.
enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Laughter is so good.
Yes,
The Bible
it is.
said it's like a medicine. So you could not be feeling good and get somebody to get you a good laugh. A belly rich like this boy did tonight. You'll start feeling better. So think about that. Think about it when you're feeling down at your lowest and it feel like everything is going against you. Start laughing. Just start laughing. Sometimes your laughter will carry you into tears, but laugh first. And then you'll start laughing because you're crying because you laughed so hard that you cried.
Amen.
So my word to you tonight is dreams. Don't give up your dreams. Life seems hard at times. Life seems like things will never get better. You know, I'm older, you're younger, but you still face life issues.
Yes, ma'am.
And sometimes it looks like it's just not going to get any better. But don't lose your dream. One thing about a dream, it will give you a hope. It'll give you something to work forward to look forward to. And it'll give you something to not quit and give up. So my poem tonight is Dare to Dream. Close your eyes. I'm excited because you're here with me. Close your eyes and let your imagination fly away. See a picture of where you wish to be one day. Let the colors of your heart take command to paint the picture of your dream and place it in your hand. Hold on tightly and nurture it, but allow it room to grow. When you reach your dream, open your hand and let it go. Close your eyes and search for another, caring for it as before. Never stop searching, achieving, and letting go, for that's what dreams are for. So if you got a dream, I don't care how big you think it is, how small you think it is, or someone else's may be greater. That's your dream. And it's up to you what you do with your dream. You can make it big or you can make it small. However it is, it's yours. And no one else can possess what's yours. I hope you've enjoyed us tonight. I've enjoyed you. I hate you got to go back tomorrow.
Man, I'm so
I
upset.
do. I hate that you guys got to go back. But one thing about it, we're going to meet up again.
Yes, ma'am.
You'll come to visit. I don't know. I'm planning to go back to Ohio, not really knowing when, because got this great grandbaby coming in just a couple of weeks. Hey. And we're excited about that. So if we don't see each other in a few months, we'll see before the year's out.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll make that promise.
Sounds good.
Okay. So this is what I need you to do: to comment. I need you to like. I need you to share. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. And this is Ed and G Banky tonight saying, peace. The bomb, y'all. This is the bomb, y'all. The bomb, y'all.